Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for engaging in more videos. Hope everyone are at good health. This is the continuation of the previous video, how women are safe in a box in a car and they are independently driving their car. So how do we handle after that? How do we get into the car and how do we take care? You open the door and you come in, sit like this, make yourself comfortable, then lift your both legs inside and sit like this. So this is the best way to sit. Anyone, a woman or a man, anyone can sit this comfortable. Then after that, immediately put your seat belts and adjust it to your comfort. Then your steering. And hold the steering not tight like this and sit like this. Hold it very comfortably, 9-3 position, and adjust the seat for your comfort. And this should be the position. Adjust your seat how comfortable you are. Not sit like this, holding the steering tight. Make yourself comfortable and see that your back is adjusted, not too behind or not too straight. Very comfortably, the posture should be comfortable in driving. So you should be able to look at the front visibility, should be clear. You should be able to drive comfortably. So this is the posture you should set for you and then drive. And as well, whenever you're sitting in the car, adjust your mirror, rear view mirror, then the side two mirrors. See that your visibility of the car is clear and there are no blind spots. So make sure this is how you plan your sitting in the car and you can drive the car after that. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.